It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. I am back and I have got big Bath and Body Works sales news for you. The fall event. Try to believe it. This is huge. And it's going to be a 3-day event, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, all of Labor Day. So I'm going to talk about this. This is an event that you are going to want to go into your store for, and that you hopefully have a coupon, which I do. Hopefully we can use a coupon. Usually when we don't have the barcode in the email, you should be able to use your coupon. I happen to have a 25% off coupon, so I'm going to talk about that. Online, you're going to have to use the code skincare. So here are the price points for the full-size body lotion, which I don't even think I have a lotion here. I don't buy the lotions as much anymore. $5.50. The body wash and shower gel, $5.50. This is a great stock up event for the shower gel. I'm getting all the new stuff, all of it. Then the full-size mist, the men's body spray, the body cream, which is this, and the moisturizing body wash, which, do I have one of these down here? I do. Check it out. I got an old strawberry pound cake one. The moisturizing body wash are going to be $6.50. Again, really good price point, especially if you have that coupon. So 25, let's do the math here. $5.50 minus 25%, that's going to be $4.12. Yes, the shower gel is a wonderful deal, especially on those faceted. Stock up. $6.50 minus 25%, $4.87. Christmas gift time, seriously. So the question is, what is going to be available? So in store, I have not been in the store because we had the tornado. The power was out. I'm like, I think Sunday, I'm probably going to stop in at Bath and Body Works just to kind of check out what they have and, see what's happening. Today, car fragrance refills, $1.95. That's a good deal. They have some of the fall ones. I do like the fall car fragrance. Looks like they have a couple of new clips, but if you want your car to smell like pumpkin pecan waffles, sweater weather, pumpkin cupcake, spiced pumpkin and patchouli, pumpkin apple, I would stock up today. So that's kind of a fun thing. So now if we go to body care, I'm actually going to go to the fragrance because I want to talk about these. Now, Halloween is included in this sale. Going to be a great stock up event for Halloween. So if you have not yet gotten Halloween, I would consider getting it this weekend, especially, like I said, if you have that coupon. Everlasting Magic is amazing. It does not look like they're going to include the Diamond Shimmer Mist, which I wish they did. That's kind of unfortunate. But all of the core products, including the moisturizing body wash and the men's, because it does say about the body spray, again, great stock up event if you're buying for Christmas. So think about getting some of the new stuff. I actually have to get the rest of the new stuff. So Copperfields, oh, here it is. This actually smells pretty good, honestly. I'm going to try and review a lot of this stuff this weekend. I kind of like Copperfields. It's kind of like an early fall. It's Harvest Sun, fresh wildflowers, and bronzed woods. I didn't think I was going to like it. It kind of reminds me of Golden Sunflower. And then we have the Moonlit Martini, which is the vibrant fruit, sparkling gin, and midnight musk. I love this. I don't even know why I love it, but I really love it. It's definitely got a really nice fruit note. We have the new Vanilla Blossoms, which smells like something. And then the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, which is about the closest thing you're going to get to Bonfire Bash. I gotta get my Bonfire Bash out. I don't know, it's kind of bugging me. It's a little sweeter, I swear. This is not, I don't think it's spot on Bonfire Bash, but I almost think I like it a little bit better, which is interesting. Sweet Whiskey, Sunrise Woods. I'm going to get the whole collection in this right here so that I can, share these out. And then, of course, Chasing Butterflies. Oh my gosh, I just said Chasing Butterflies. I was thinking in my head, butterflies chasing fireflies. I like this one. This one's good if you haven't tried it yet. It might be a good one to try for the sale. It is Golden Pear, Jasmine Blooms, and Illuminated Woods. I think it smells like almost exactly like Fairy Tale. It's very similar. Definitely a sibling. Oh my gosh. The new Manhattan Nightcap. Seriously, you guys got to try this one. It is the Black Santal, Sweet Brandy, and Cherry Wood. I love this scent. Like, I want to wear this myself. The new packaging at In the Stars. I'm getting the 20% off coupon. This always pops up, the 20% off coupon while I'm shopping. The Whiskey Reserve, Ivory Cashmere. I gotta figure this one out. The Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, I still am not sure why, but it smells a little bit different this year. Did anyone notice that? I don't know, maybe it's me. I'm like, I don't know what's going on with that. Leaves, oh my gosh. I talked about Black Cherry Merlot last night. Fall and Bloom, Leaves. I love Leaves. I swear, this is my signature fall scent now. I cannot tell you how much I am digging Leaves. Leaves is oh, you can't see this. Crisp apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. I love the clove. This is worth trying. Trust me, it's wonderful. Fall and Bloom and the beautiful orange packaging. I love that. Everlasting Magic, Midnight Spell, and Vampire Blood. If you haven't got your Vampire Blood, get your Vampire Blood. I'm smelling good. I got all these scents mixing together. Everlasting Magic is the Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Magic Musk. This is a winner. Sweater Weather, Together Weather, all the weathers. Let's see here. I don't know if they're going to do the aromatherapy. That's the one thing I'm trying to figure out. Let me look at the little, there's like a little scrolly thing here. They do include the Cocoa Shea. I'm not sure if the aromatherapy is going to be included, but Cocoa Shea, I'm assuming that means the water and the oatmeal will be included. So check those out. And then of course, like any of your classics, Twilight Woods, Beautiful Day, Sensual Amber, Underwater Oasis. You know, if you're going on vacation, you want something a little more tropical. They still have the tropical. Pink Pineapple Sunrise, Pretty as a Peach, Wild Sand, Endless Sea, if you hadn't had a chance to try those yet. The Midnight Blue Citrus is wonderful. Might be a stock-up event for Cactus Blossom. I know a lot of people like Cactus Blossom. We might not see it for a while. Cucumber Melon's always a no for me. White Citrus, At the Beach. A lot of people are still at the beach. Still Love Always Wins collection. This stuff is actually 50% off now, by the way, but you're going to get it for a better deal, I'm sure. I guess it'll be $5.50 tomorrow. That would be weird if it wasn't. Dark Kiss. I think it's on everything, honestly. I think it's all of the, it doesn't say select. It just says full size body lotion, body wash, shower gel. Honestly, like, this is a really good time, like I said, to stock up on your shower gel. If you're like me, like, shower gel is something I go through a lot. It's funny. A lot of people always ask me why my mist never goes down that much. It's because I probably have 500 of these on a shelf, and I'm always just like grabbing one and spraying so they don't go down as far. But let me tell you, the shower gel, I go through shower gel like crazy. Champagne Apple and Honey, all the men's, the fresh water, the bourbon, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. That's a good one. I do wish that the scrubs were included. That would be nice. But definitely think about getting, some Christmas gifts. We're getting close enough to Christmas. If you have a coupon and you do $5.50 minus the 25%, you could get 10 products for like what, $40 and change? That's actually pretty good. So that's a lot of Christmas presents. So anyway, big sale all weekend. I'm going to try and get to the store on Sunday. I'm going to try and review a lot of this fall stuff. I want to do some rankings so you can get the best idea of what you want if you're shopping online, but I'm actually really excited for the sale. I am ready. I don't know if we're having a candle sale layered in. Right now, candles are $14.95. not a great deal, not the worst deal, but not like the best deal. If you have the coupon though, let me do that. That's not a bad deal. Well, it's not too bad of a deal. $14.95 minus 25%. Oh, $11.21. That's actually pretty good. So if you have the frosted cranberry, I just like, I don't love frosted cranberry, but the jar is similar to that beautiful warm apple pie. I gotta tell you, after I got done with my last video, I was smelling the warm apple pie. These jars, frosted cranberry, warm apple pie, are there any? Oh, fresh balsam. It's funny because the jars are not pretty. Online, welcome home, I think is the other one. But these are absolutely stunning in person. I want to get this whole collection. I'm so excited. So anyway, that's what we got going on. Definitely a good deal. I will be, like I said, doing a lot of reviewing this weekend. Let me know if you're shopping the sale. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.